Alright guys, I'm going to show you if you cut your motor wire in two, what you can do without having shrink tape or anything. You can do this in the field pretty easily. You just take both parts of your motor wire and you strip just a little bit. And you're going to mesh that together. You don't twist it or anything like that. You just make sure it's nice and straight. And you mesh it together. And you just push them straight on to each other. Then you're going to roll it in your fingers like that. And once you get it rolling in your fingers, you're now going to solder that together. So it's now meshed together, nice and straight. You got a small profile with it rolled together. Take your solder, solder that on about 450 degrees. You want it on both sides. There you go. And this is super strong. You don't have to worry about it pulling apart. And then to cover this up without using shrink wrap, what you're going to do is you're going to grab your insulation and you're going to push it over the other wire. Just keep pushing it. And there you go. You have a nice, neat fix for your cut motor wires. And it won't come apart. It's insulated, and it's really if you were just looking at it, you would notice that it actually doesn't look that bad as a shrink tape. This is going to last you a whole lot longer and be a whole lot better. Alright guys, there you go.